Posty dropped this off just now. It is a Airsoft 1911 gas blowback, so a realistic one. And I need to get it unpackaged. I have opened it just to scribble out all of my location details so no one knows where I live. And yeah, so this is the box that came in. I bought this off Patrol Base with some other stuff as well. Billing stuff, packaging, and what I got was 2 bottles of gas and 2 bottles of BBs and an extra mag for the gun that's in here. And right quick, I'm just going to clear this out of the way if it focuses, but yeah. Right, this is the box that the gun comes in. As you can see, gas blowback. 1911. This is a pre-two-tone blue because I don't have a special license that you need. In the box, the instructions come. I've just quickly skimmed through this before, so it tells you how to load everything and how the parts all go together. So put that to the side. Stock black magazine, fully metal. Well, I can't really hear it, but how it works is you put gas in the bottom in that little hole. I don't know if you can see it. And then BBs go in this hole here. And then this is the gun. Oh, hang on. I don't want to deal with this packaging, so editing. So yeah, packaging is gone. This is the 1911 by WE. As I've said, pre-two-tone blue, because I don't have the special license. Most of the stuff on here, apart from I think the grips and this piece here, everything is metal. And yeah, I'm really chuffed with this. Oh, and that green bit in there. There are 3 safeties on this thing, so if you half cock that, you can't pull the trigger. So that has to fully be done. There's this piece here, which if you put that up, you can't slide it, obviously, because of that's in the way. You can't pull the trigger or anything. But then the third safety is this piece here, which that has to be pushed down for you to pull the trigger. So if I so as you can see, I'm pulling the trigger, but because I haven't got my hand on here, it won't go. So now I've got my hand on here, it goes. But yeah, so if you put a magazine in, it won't let. So yeah, how it works is that locks because there's no ammo in this magazine. Little release here, and then mag release here. So I'm probably going to now cut to a firing demo, which I don't know if it's dark, but I will test anyway. Before the firing thing, I would like to show how to load up one of the magazines. This is the spare one that I bought. So, you get your BBs, you get a bottle of gas. Bottle of gas comes first. You just break, seal, and hold it upside down. Line it up, and for 4 to 6 seconds you hold it down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That mag is now charged. I'll just get rid of that stuff, and I'll put the lid back on. And now there's a little pin that you slide down here. Oh, I don't want it to smash into the top in case it breaks anything, which you just get there. Get your BBs. I don't have a speed loader yet because I ran out of budget. So 1,
2, 3, 4, I'll just use that, pop it up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
That's the recommended, and I can't fit any more in, so I'll just stick with 15. Put those back. Lid on. Don't want any spilled BBs everywhere. And then, there. And now, as soon as I rack it, it will be ready to shoot, so I will see you outside. Reload. Right, it's only a semi-auto, but I'm going to see how fast I can offload about 15 rounds. And I'll put a timer up for that, so... Slow-mo test. Right, I'm filming this maybe 2 days after I film the rest of the video. I've decided I'm getting my mum to shoot me because I don't know how much it hurts, and I need to find out, so I'm just gonna go do that now. Get it live.
Okay, off safety.
Now shoot me in the back.
How am I even going to hit you?
It hurts moderately well. Ow. Jesus Christ, I didn't think that would hurt as much as it did. Right, thank you for watching all the way through. If you skipped, I don't really care. Views are views. I edited and filmed this whole video myself, so I would really appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribed, and I will see you next time.